Hi everyone. Have you ever heard of ChatGPT? No, it's not a robot from the future. It's actually a really cool language model developed by OpenAI. But what exactly is a language model? Well, it's a computer program that's trained to understand and generate human language. ChatGPT is one of the largest language models out there, and it's capable of answering questions, generating text, and even telling jokes. So, how does ChatGPT work? Well, imagine you have a really big book with all the information in the world. ChatGPT is like a librarian who can quickly find the information you need and present it in a way that makes sense to you. You might be thinking, wait a minute, this sounds a lot like a search engine. And you're not wrong. Both search engines and ChatGPT can provide you with information. But there's a key difference between the two. A search engine is like a library catalog. You type in a keyword or a question, and the search engine gives you a list of relevant results. You then have to go through the results and find the information you need. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is like having a librarian who can understand your question and give you a direct answer. It doesn't just give you a list of results, it gives you the answer. This saves you time and makes it easier to find the information you need. So, while search engines are great for finding a specific piece of information, ChatGPT is better at understanding the context of your question and providing a more complete and nuanced answer. But ChatGPT is more than just a librarian. It's also a creative writer who can come up with new ideas and stories. And it's a stand-up comedian who can make you laugh with its silly jokes and puns. It can even write programming code for you. So next time you're chatting with ChatGPT, remember that you're talking to a program that's been trained on a massive amount of text and has the ability to understand and generate human language. And who knows, maybe one day ChatGPT will become so advanced that it'll take over the world. Just kidding, hopefully. So, that's ChatGPT in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and have fun chatting with AI. That's it for this episode of Geek Tick. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like the video and subscribe our channel for more exciting insights into the world of technology.